Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me doing my husband's makeup. We watched Timothy DeLaGhetto's video yesterday, or whenever he posted it. We watched it last night, where his wife did his makeup and it was funny, and then it was Anthony's idea to recreate the video. He was like, that would make a good video for your channel. So we're gonna do that, and then he has some questions on his phone from like the newlywed tag or something, because I think most of you guys know that like I took a break from YouTube for a little bit because we got married like 3 months ago now. Three months ago now. Yeah, so we're gonna answer some of those questions. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in.
What is their worst habit?
What's my worst habit, dude?
I don't know. So demanding.
Am I really?
Yes.
I'm sorry. I'll work on that.
What's mine?
Leaving dishes in the living room.
You do that too?
Not as much as you do.
I know, but you still do it too. You do it like once or twice.
You do it every day.
What is the thing they're most likely to end up in jail for?
Killing somebody.
Running somebody over?
No. Yeah.
What is the thing they're most likely to go viral for?
I don't know.
This. What are you doing next?
I'm doing your brows. I gotta do those Instagram brows. You gotta have that fade in the front. That fade, and then brows on fleek. And I'm using the dip brow from Anastasia. I could use a pencil, but I think this would look better on your brows. If you want that Instagram look, you gotta use that pomade.
I feel very cakey.
Yeah, that's the point. You have makeup on.
I feel like I have stuff on my face.
You have stuff on your face.
What is a favorite thing about themselves?
My favorite thing about myself?
About...
Is that what it's asking? What is their favorite thing about themselves?
Yeah, what is the favorite thing about themselves?
So what is
So
that?
I would have to guess what your favorite thing about yourself is.
Okay.
I think you like your eyes. Your lips?
I like my lips, yeah. I really need to work on this. I talk bad about myself a lot. And I know you don't like that. I don't know. Your height?
No.
I don't know. Your hair?
No.
I don't know.
Goodness.
What? What do you talk about yourself?
My legs?
Oh, yeah. He has good legs.
What is their favorite pizza topping? Pepperoni and sausage.
I think yours is Hawaiian pizza, right? Yeah. See, we know each other. Okay, brows are on. Now it's like my favorite part where I get to clean them up because it just kind of like shows its true shape. And you get to see the fleekiness.
Your fingers are tickling me.
Zolly. You look so fleeky. You look like Patrick Star.
What is their favorite flavor of potato chips?
Oh, you like the Maui onion ones. The sweet onion. Right? Is that your favorite? I don't really have a favorite. I mean...
She likes tortilla chips.
Yeah, I like chips and salsa.
Chips and salt.
You still kind of look the same. To me, at least, I feel like you still kind of look the same.
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down
As long as it's not green tea.
I'm allergic to green tea. You like your coffee cold or iced, and sweet. Iced and sweet is how you like your coffee. Specific flavors. I don't think you really have, just as long as it's sweet, right? You don't really have any specific flavors. You're not much of a tea drinker. Every once in a while, I'll get him to drink some tea if he's sick, but he's not much of a tea person. I prefer tea over coffee. It's gonna give you a cute little smoky neutral eye because you have a mono lid, so it's kind of hard to do a lot of different looks on you.
I don't know what that means.
It's just most Asian people have monolids.
What's a monolid?
Where you just why are you upset? Where it's just like you just have one lid, you don't really have a crease. So okay, you see my eye? How like I have a crease like in here? I have this part. Like I have my eyelid and then I have this lid space up here too. You just kinda have, see how it's like there? See what I mean?
Yeah.
You see the difference? Yeah. That's what that means. Not bad. That's just your genetics. That's just what it is. So it can be a little bit more difficult for you guys to do certain looks.
Next question. How does your partner like their eggs cooked?
Okay, look up. I'm sorry, open your eyes and look up. Open your eyes and look up. You like your eggs sunny side up. This is gonna tickle. It's gonna tickle.
That tickles.
I told you it's gonna tickle.
I know, but I can't.
I'll go slow. Is that better? Is it better?
No,
slow?
it's worse.
Okay. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, you're done. Good job. No, I just need to put a shimmer makeup. You're so cute.
She likes hers medium cooked.
Yeah, over medium.
Over medium.
Yeah, I like my eggs cooked a bunch of different ways. Turn it this way so they can see what I'm doing.
How about me?
I said sunny side up.
Oh.
You like your eggs sunny side up.
Oh, I'm not gonna scratch. I'm so itchy.
What do you need to scratch?
What you just brushed.
Under your eye?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, scratch it gently.
I can't. I don't want to mess anything up. Who's a better driver?
Me, definitely. No, I suck at driving. I think I drive more than you, but I'm definitely not I don't think I'm a bad driver, right? You think I'm a bad driver?
I don't say you're bad. It's just you have some habits that I don't agree with.
So, okay, whenever I'm driving, he thinks that I'm, like, not paying attention, and I am paying attention, and he'll be like, slow down, or you're not braking fast enough, like, which irritates me because I am paying attention. I just don't, I guess I'm not as cautious as a driver as you. Maybe? Is that what it is?
I don't know.
I don't think I'm a bad driver. I know you didn't say I'm a bad driver.
Favorite movie, band, TV show if they're trying to be cool?
Huh? Don't get it.
I don't get it either. Next question.
We could answer it though without the cool part. Your favorite. You don't have a favorite band. You don't really. We don't.
What's my favorite movie?
I don't know. You watch a lot of movies. Avengers? I don't know. What's my favorite? I don't have a favorite movie.
You like horror movies?
I do. Anything horror I will watch, but I don't really have a favorite movie.
Which item of clothing of theirs do they hate the most?
Item of yours that I don't like? I don't think there's anything of yours. I don't like that you like fanny packs. Right? Is that what they mean? But you don't have any. That's the only thing. I don't like fanny packs, but I don't think there's anything of yours that you wear that I don't like. I'm sure there's stuff of mine that I wear that you don't like.
like everything that you wear.
Oh, you're cute.
What's their biggest fear?
You're afraid of heights.
Mm-hmm.
That's it, right? Yeah. What am I afraid of? I'm afraid of anything. I am afraid of things.
A ghost.
Okay, I'm gonna bronze him up so he's not so ghastly. And I'm just using my face powder because my bronzer would be too dark for you. It's so cute.
Ooh.
Get them cheekbones though.
Ooh. Oh.
This brush is really fluffy, so it's probably gonna tickle a little bit. Sorry. Let's get that 5 head though. Just kidding. Boys just generally have bigger heads. It's okay.
You have a big head.
Yes.
I'm a big headed baby. Who is the most likely to deal with spiders? I say it's half and half.
Yeah, because we both equally don't like spiders. But, yeah, if I tell you to kill a spider, then you kill it. And if you don't want to kill a spider, I'll kind of suck it up and do it too.
I think if I see the spider, I'll tell her to kill it. And if she sees the spiders, I go kill it.
Yes. Yeah, that's accurate. Okay. You ready for lashes?
Lashes!
Come on.
You ain't said nothing about lashes.
Please.
No. You said nothing about lashes.
Well, mascara.
Okay, that's fine.
Please.
No.
Okay, look up. Don't roll your eyes
I'm
at
not
me.
rolling my
Yes,
eyes.
you did. Okay, but maybe look down because your lid's kind of in the way. You see that glow? Not really. Oh, there it is though. This might be too dark for you. Yeah, I'll probably have to layer it. It's okay.
Next question.
Yeah, I'll have to layer it. It's too dark.
Who would win in a game of Monopoly?
I think we would both get bored and give up. I don't think I've ever finished a game of Monopoly in my life. Have you?
Yes.
You have? Who won? Oh, there we go. There we go.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Now is it fun?
No.
Huh? Because you get to see the glow up.
Next question. What's their favorite flavor of ice cream?
Cookies and cream.
And
Oh. Maybe chocolate chip cookie dough? I don't know. Rocky Road? Rocky Road? Okay. What about me?
vanilla. Chocolate.
No. I don't really eat ice cream. So if there's ice cream in the house, I just eat.
Lactose-free vanilla.
You make me sound so stupid. Shut up. Okay, ready for the lips? I'm gonna make you have big, fat Kylie Jenner lips.
This is
that's just how it smells.
It smells like nail polish. Ugh.
Stop.
It tickles.
So dramatic.
Why?
Okay, babe, how do you feel about your look? You look like an Instagram baddie.
Yes.
Was it fun?
Yes.
No, because he was complaining.
No.
Yeah, I had a fun time. Next time I really want to do lashes on you. And you're like, next time. Lashes on you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry, I'm like hella close to the camera. If you want to see if you want to see more videos of both of us together, then leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up and let me know what videos you want to see with both of us in it. You see how he's checking himself out? Now we gotta go do the thumbnail, which I'm excited about. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Go. Okay. Look at the camera, don't look at me! You little legs.
I scratch my nose.
Don't scratch your nose.
It's
you tap
itchy.
it, tap it, tap it. Yeah, tap it.
I need to scratch it.
Where, right here?
Yeah. You gotta dig in there.
No!
I
That's
have to
gross.
dig in there. It itches.